Okay, I'm back in the car. So, dyan po yung Sacred Heart. Then, papasok tayo dito sa intersection. Ito po yung corner. So, sa harap, dito sa likod, oops, stop now. This is the back of the property. Ito may mga signs. This is the back of the property. Sa harap po niyan is a car showroom din. Sa isang commercial arcade din na yung access niya doon sa highway. So, na second hand cars po yan. Sige, drive tayo towards Ayala. So, this is an access towards Ayala. Ganun na, no? Pagdutera na. So we're now in Ayala Center. Dito maraming condominiums that is being built, and mostly condominiums at saka commercial buildings, IT. Yung mga may call centers din dito. Ito bagong building na naman tong itatayo. Commercial building to eh. So, daming developments talaga dito. So, Cebu Business Park. This is Ayala Center, Cebu Business Park. Ito bagong building din to eh. Condominium, yan pong Avalon dito, Alveo dito sa Ayala din yan na project, yung Solenea dito din, and then Park Point, gagawin lang Park Point yan dyan. Actually this is already the mall. This is the back of the mall, and you'll see overhead yung Marriott, andyan yung Marriott. Yung going price po dito sa Ayala ngayon, it's already 60 to 80,000 depending on the location at anong malapit sa kanya. Ayan pong Avalon. Construction ng yan, Ayala Center po, entrance ng mall. This is not the front entrance, sa kabila to. Anyway, you'll get an idea. Laki talaga tong mall. Ayan po yung Tune Hotel. Ayan, Tune Hotel po. Tune? No, Tune. Ayan. That's Grand Senya at Quest Hotel built by Philinvest. Ayan, Quezano Metro is renting from Ayala. So this is the mall. Ayan po.